Hi everyone. So this is going to be real quick. I picked and gutted the exterior side of the Caveo that I picked earlier. This is the interior side. It says INT on it. This is the exterior side of that double Euro EXT. It's got the anti-snap here. But also somebody pointed out when they picked theirs that the exterior side does actually have security pins, which the interior side did not. So the interior side was a bit easier to pick. I think I made some derisive comments in the video about their 2,000 pound break-in guarantee and how they had no security pins in their lock. But that is because that was the interior side, which is intended to be lower security because it's on the inside of your door. This is the side that would be on the exterior of your door, and it was more difficult to pick. So you can see we do have some security pins there. There's kind of this double spool here, which also is, it looks like steel, so it's probably anti-drill. We've got a couple spools, and then we've got these like pin kind of drivers that are here. These were the same, the sliders, no false gates on those, and the sidebar is the same. So just the addition of some security pins, which definitely, helps to make it more difficult to pick. And then, the anti-snap cut on the exterior side as well. So there you go. Other than that, everything was pretty similar to the interior. Again, I think this is only one biting on the slider track that this lock has, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. So get this up in the vise and get it picked so you can see just some slight differences in terms of picking, because you do have to kind of manipulate those security drivers and then you have to kind of revisit them, I think, because the pin catches after you get the sidebar set. So you kind of have to bounce back and forth a little bit between the top stacks and the sidebar versus doing just one and then the other. So there you go. Caveo exterior side. All right, here's my Caveo. The key's a little finicky because the key stop is not there anymore, but it still works. So this is the exterior side of the Caveo, which, unlike the interior, does have security pins in it. So I wanted to make sure I got this side open as well as the interior. So just working on the top stack here first. It binds first, and I need to pick this into a false set before I can do the sliders. Okay, that feels pretty good there. So I'm going to work on the sliders next. The sliders are binding, so that's good. stack again. Still feels all right. Okay. That was the sidebar setting, I believe. I may have just some minor stuff here on the top to deal with. Some of those weird security pins. And there we go. All right, that is open. And let's see if I can get this in a reasonable time frame. I've had some major gutting issues on this lock. Okay, so I'm gonna reset it here. Okay, so you can already see we got a couple security pins here. All right, so this one, 3 is actually kind of like a weird pin and pin thing. So I'll make sure those are separated. And then 4 is a standard. And they will basically mirror image this. We'll get another pin and pin, another spool, and then the last one will be a standard. So you can see this one came out not as pin and pin, but if I grab this, they do separate. one's another spool there. Oops, and then that last one is a standard. Okay. This is where I've been having all kinds of problems. So let's see if I can actually get this clip off here. This is probably not the most elegant way to do it. But it worked. All right, and let's just get these sliders. There's my sidebar. And the sidebar springs. And the sliders, I'm actually going to go this way because I don't want them to be out of order. I'm gonna leave the springs in there. It's because they're kind of a pain. But here is your whole lock gutted. So you can see this does have security drivers in the exterior side. I was a little derisive about the interior because of how easy it was, but this one was more robust in terms of security. So I guess it's not totally laughable. Still no false gates in these sliders. But that one was definitely harder. The exterior was harder than the interior. I think the only other difference in this exterior cylinder is that it's got this anti-snap cut here. So that's where it would break versus this part if you grabbed it and tried to snap it. But yeah, there you go. That's the Caveo. I don't remember the model number, but that is the exterior side of the interior side that I picked earlier. So thanks for watching.